Natalie Berth here, doing another LinkedIn profile mini review. Remember, this is not a comprehensive review, it does not give all the secrets and everything that needs to be done, just what we can fit in a 2.5 to 3 minute video. Uh, Whitney is a career person. She does not own her own business, and she is currently looking for her next opportunity. And so, what we can start with is her headline, which can actually feed into her banner, right? The banner, if you've been following any of my posts, you will see that consistently I'm always recommending we put something in the banner that reflects who we are if we own a business, what we offer, the transformation. And it really is the same thing when you're looking for a job. So she feels passionate about community, public health, education, leadership. She can say something up here that reflects that's where her interests lie, right? She calls herself a creative connector and strategist, all of which is true. I actually don't know Whitney, but I'll assume it's true. But this is also an opportunity to say, searching for next opportunity to um, pull together passions, leadership, whatever it is, right? So this is an opportunity to bring this other information. What I do find working on a lot of these career-based profiles is two things are happening. Folks are missing out on the opportunity to pull in projects, right? Projects is a section in our LinkedIn profiles that we can add that talk about special projects that we are doing. And so I would encourage her to pull that information in. She's worked on some really cool stuff as she's worked on, if I'm going through her posts that she's made, is to be able to bring that forward and talk about what she did. So she would have to pull up I'm not going to lie, it's tedious, but it's totally worth it. Pull up the project section and start adding some of those projects in there. The next thing is a reminder, anything over 20 years, get rid of the profile, including all of this. I don't think the dates are necessary. Awarded graduate assistantship, that's actually really impressive for an MBA. I did that as well. Not many places offer that. But I would take out all the dates, all this extra stuff, unless there's a compelling reason to do so. So, a compelling reason might be belonging to a national sorority, in which case, then you, instead of even adding it there, you might put it down. There's a section that's not here. There's a section where you can add organizations, right? Organizations to which you belong. And so we add that kind of stuff here. Anything that is not directly related, I might remove this because she was doing sales associate, but she's now in leadership position. So we just want to kind of tailor whatever we're doing related to what we're trying to send out the message to the world. And of course, first person about section about her approach to community health, her leadership, what exactly she's looking for. That's a great opportunity to do there. Okay, thank you, Whitney, for allowing me to review her profile. If you would like a review of your own profile, let me know in the comments. And if and when I'm able to get to it, I will tag you. Thanks.